If you're looking to connect your digital audio player, laptop, or portable media device to professional audio equipment, the Hosa CYX-403M cable offers a straightforward solution. This 3-meter cable converts a 3.5 mm TRS stereo output into dual XLR male connectors, making it ideal for mixing consoles and other pro audio setups. What sets the CYX-403M apart is its build quality. Hosa Technology, Inc. is a respected name in the audio industry, known for delivering cables and adapters that meet the rigorous demands of musicians, broadcasters, and audio professionals. This cable is no exception, designed to provide consistent performance and durability in real-world environments. The cable features XLR connectors with internal strain relief, which helps prevent damage from bending or pulling. This rugged design ensures reliability whether you're setting up for a live show or recording session. Plus, the conductors are made from oxygen-free copper, enhancing signal clarity and reducing unwanted noise. Beyond just clean audio, the CYX-403M includes oxygen-free copper spiral shields that effectively block electromagnetic interference, (EMI), and radio frequency interference, (RFI). This shielding keeps your sound crisp and free from disruptions, which matters when you want your mix to sound professional and polished. With a length of 3 meters, this cable offers enough reach for most stage or studio setups without excess clutter. It's a practical choice for connecting your full-shit 3 DAC, AMP, portable media players, or laptops to speakers like JBL 305 PMKII monitors, as many users have found it works seamlessly in these scenarios. While some users have reported the cable breaking after several months, the majority praise its performance and signal quality during regular use. If you need a dependable breakout cable that balances affordability with professional-grade components, the CYX-403M deserves a close look. If that's you, someone who values clear sound and durable connections, this cable could make a noticeable difference in your setup. Worth a look if you want to avoid complicated adapters and keep your audio chain clean and simple. Try the Hosa CYX-403M when you're ready to upgrade your connection from portable devices to professional audio gear. It's a reliable, no-fuss cable designed to deliver what matters most: clear, interference-free sound.